Hello students, welcome in Sohi's teaching channel. In this video, we will discuss about the momentum and Newton's second law of motion. So let's start. Our first topic is momentum. The momentum is the quantity of motion possessed by a moving body. Means to say, किसी बॉडी किसी मूविंग बॉडी च कितना मोशन है, कितना मोशन है, दैट क्वांटिटी ऑफ मोशन इज डिस्क्राइब्ड बाय मोमेंटम. द मोमेंटम ऑफ बॉडी इज डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू द मास ऑफ बॉडी. लेट्स सी एन एग्जांपल. अगर दो बॉडीज, दिस इज अ ट्रक एंड दिस इज अ कार, अगर दोनों सेम वेलोसिटी से मूव कर रही हैं, देन द मास ऑफ द ट्रक इज लार्ज than a car. That's why the momentum of truck will be higher than that of the car. And second thing, the momentum depends upon the velocity of the body. More the velocity, more will be the momentum. This boy is moving fastly than this one, so this boy has more momentum than the another one. The momentum of body is equal to the product of mass and velocity. It is the product of mass and velocity. The momentum is denoted by P. So if P is the momentum, then it is equals to mass multiply velocity. P is the momentum, M is the mass, and V is the velocity of body. Next we have the momentum is a vector quantity. It's a vector quantity, means to say momentum has a direction as well as magnitude. Vector is that one which has direction and magnitude, and the direction of the momentum is same as that of the velocity. जो direction velocity दी होगी, same will be the direction of the momentum. And next is SI units. SI units of momentum is kilogram meter per second. Why? Because we know momentum की है mass multiply velocity. So mass की unit की है kilogram and velocity the units की है meter per second. So momentum the units की बन गए kilogram meter per second. Next is Newton's second law of motion. First of all, we have statement. Newton's second law of motion, this statement. According to this law, the rate of change of momentum is directly proportional to the unbalanced force acting on the body. Means to say, the force F acting on the body is equals to the rate of change of momentum. P is the momentum, D means change. So change in momentum upon change in time. Rate means change with time. Rate means change with time. Change with time. So change in the momentum upon change in the time is directly proportional or is equal to the force applied. P is the momentum. You know momentum P is mass into velocity. So we can write it also as D is the change. So change in mass multiply velocity upon change in time. So this is the second law of motion. Most important, second law of motion is the rate of change of momentum. Means to say कि जितना momentum change होएगा with respect to time, that will directly proportional or equals to the force applied. Next is mathematical formulation of second law of motion. Expression for second law of motion. It is the derivation of second law of motion. So let's start. Consider a body of mass m which is moving with velocity, initial velocity u. Let a force F acts on the body for the time t so that the velocity of the body after time t becomes v. This is a body of mass m. Body may be any ball, the body may be any bus, car, anything. उसका mass है m. Initially at time t equals to 0, the initial velocity of the body is u. u is the initial velocity at a time t is equal to 0. For time t we apply a force F force apply की body पे and the body starts to moving with velocity v. So v is the final velocity, u is the initial velocity, m is the mass of the body, F is the force applied for time t. So now we will find the initial momentum. Initial momentum होगा pi. Initial momentum की होता है mass into velocity. So mass is m, initial velocity है u. Now final momentum. Final momentum is pf. Final. O की equal to mass multiply final velocity, that is v. Change in momentum. Change in momentum is final momentum minus initial momentum, means to say pf minus pi. It will be pf. Pf is mass into v minus initial momentum is mass into u. It is u. So m common, it will be v minus u. Now change in time. Change in time. Final time है t, so t minus initial time है 0, so 0. Change in time किया गया t. Now rate of change of momentum. Equal to change in momentum upon change in time. So rate of change of momentum equals to change in momentum कितना है m into v minus u upon change in time कितना t. So here is t. According to second law of motion, second law of motion की कह रहे हैं कि जो फोर्स है F that is equals to change in momentum upon change in time. तो फिर चेंज इन मोमेंटम साढ़े पास किया आया, चेंज इन मोमेंटम आया F इक्वल्स टू m v minus u upon t. We know that v equals to u plus at. This is the equation of motion. Equation of motion, v is equal to u plus at. So find the a. V minus u equals to at and v minus u upon t is equal to a. So put in above equation. We get F equals to m into v minus u upon t कितना आ गया a. So F is equal to m. Units of force. We know that F is equal to m. हुणे आपां ड्राइव किया है F is equal to m. If m is equal to 1 kg, and A is 1 meter per second square, that is acceleration. So we have F is equal to 1 kg meter per second square, or F equal to 1 Newton. Newton is the unit of force. SI units of. So what is 1 Newton? The force is said to be 1 Newton if it produces 1 meter per second square acceleration in the body of mass 1 kg. In other words, 1 Newton equals to कितने होएगा? अगर किसी बॉडी का मास 1 kg है और उसके ऊपर जो फोर्स लगेगी 1 न्यूटन होगी अगर उस बॉडी एक्सेलरेशन जो है वो 1 मीटर पर सेकंड स्क्वायर प्रोड्यूस होगी. So this is all about the Newton's second law of motion and its derivation. Thanks for watching. Subscribe the channel and like the video. Let's meet in next video. Thanks. Goodbye. Take care. Have a nice day. Goodbye.